Hello dollies, welcome back. Today I've got something to show to you guys.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
This is my first pitch box. Please don't mind my voice. My voice has just been annoying today. I don't know why. I can't explain. Anyways, I got this beach box. This is my first beach box. I thought I should show it to you guys. This is for $12.99 to subscribe. I don't know if I'm mistaken, but I don't know. But this is the first one I got, I guess. Okay, no. This is the first one I got. And this is the second one I got. I've not opened it. You can see it's sealed. You can see it's well sealed. I've got my scissors here with me. When you take it out of the pack, that's what it looks like. And I think you're supposed to open it in that way. And that's what it's inside. This is Luscious Lip Stain. Dolce Luscious Lip Stain. And that's what it looks like. And that's it, guys. And it came with activated charcoal natural deodorant balm. And that's it, guys. And it came with natural body wash. That's it, guys. Smells nice. And it came with power serum, new age precision 8-in-1 power serum. And it came with Ico London liquid eyeliner black. It's skinny as well. Oh yeah. So it came with this paper as well. Everything you've got in your box is inside this little pamphlet. So we're done with one box, guys. We're moving on to the next box. This is late, so that's why I'm sounding like this. So this is what the second box looked like. And when you take it out, this is what it looks like. Alright, in the second box, it came with an eyeshadow, I guess. This is an eyeshadow. They said if you want this eyeshadow to be really pigmented, go in with a setting spray. And this is the Ella Eden London eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. Wow, it's pigmented. This reminds me of Colourpop single eyeshadows. This is a Joe Otme Soothing Balm. It's for hair actually. And this is 12 ml. They said it suits frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. That's what it looks like. And the next one I have here is the Professional Primer. This is a tester, I guess. You can see that here. And the next one I have here is the Amica Bombshell Blowout Spray. This is also for your hair. And the next one I have here is 30 UVA UVB Visage and Cups Velvety Sun Fluid Face and Body. That's what it looks like. And I think this is the last one from the box. This is the It's Time for Tea celebrates Beach Box 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends from Withard of Chelsea. There is an extra surprise inside. Okay, 3 individual wrapped bags. All right, let's open it up and see what the surprise is. Ooh, This is 20%. Continue your tea testing journey and we will give you 20% off when you spend 25 in store online. See that? I think that's a surprise. You have to spend another money on top. I don't think that's a surprise anyway. That's the tea bags, guys. I'll be trying it out. I really like the package, the stuff they used in sending it to me, which is nice. I like it, but it makes a lot of noise, especially for a night time when I'm feeling unbelievable. That's what it looks like. That's the package and everything. It's nice. I like it. And these two, it's also beautiful. I love them both. And that's it for the second box. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I would love to see you on my next video.